In this video, I will show you how to resolve the problem of the pink shader. This problem will appear very often if you download some asset. So what's happening is here I am working with HDRP and I will download some asset created with another template that HDRP. It could be URP or it could be the old classic 3D template. So what's happening is, for example, here I have one vacuum cleaner. It has one material. If I check the material here, the shader used is standard, okay? And this is the problem. It should be a HDRP shader, okay? If I check this object here, what is the shader? The shader is legacy shader, transparent, cutout, diffuse, etc., etc. So now, what we just need to do is to use HDRP shader, which is totally logical. If we want to do real time, we need this shader. So to do that, it's pretty simple. I will select this material. I will go here in Windows, and inside you have rendering HDRP wizard. So here, this first tab, okay, propose to you to convert all the built-in material to HDRP. So my scene, actually this project is pretty big. So if I do it, it will take a lot of time. So that's why I will select only this material, and instead of convert all built-in, I will convert the selected one. Okay, so it will convert it. So now, as you can see, it works. I have here my vacuum cleaner with correct shaders. If I want to see this shader, now you see this is HDRP lit. Okay? So this is one example, but sometimes it will not work. So let's try, for example, with this tree. I will go back here in rendering, HDRP wizard, and I will apply the same thing. Okay, so for that, yeah, don't think I need to select the shader. We will see the material. So I will just click on, yeah, I need to select the material. So here the material is palm, okay, and I convert. And here, nothing happened. He could not do it. If I click here, same, he will not be able to do it. So, because sometimes this shader, you don't know what they are, or they are really too old, or sometimes they could be shaders that the company developed, okay? So he's lost. So we have to help him, and manually we have to tell him this is a HDRP shader. So here, before to do it, I check what texture he was using. You see this one. So now I go to the palm tree, I click here, and I change the shader to HDRP lit. And now we have a correct shader. And if I want the texture, I will go in the texture, and here drag and drop it here, and we have our object. So I do it again on another object, this one. So this one is a clump, that is the material that he used. So I will change, you see here it was a mobile diffuse, so very special, probably for phone, and I will change to HDRP lit, okay. And for the texture, I will drag and drop, it was this texture here. Okay, so don't panic. Next time you have a pink shader, this is really normal. Something else, here if I go in material, he updated the material. If I go here, you see my vacuum cleaner still pink. So it happens sometimes, very often, he will not refresh this thumbnail now. So, but when you will reopen your scene, it will be refreshed. There is a possibility also, this is to re-import just this asset. Sometimes it works, but you see in my case it doesn't work. So it's okay, no problem, it's working properly. You see here, if I drag and drop, they have the proper shader. Thank you.